back with another one. You already know what's poppin' by the title of the video. I'm addicted to shoes right now because your boy got that tax return. You already know I talked about it. Yeesh. So here I am with another one, guys. Like I said, New Republic's got a sale and I'm taking full advantage of it. So I have the Sonoma Chelsea boots on from New Republic right down here. Check them out. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? The Sonoma Suede Chelsea boots from New Republic. Gosh, guys, I don't know how to say this, but these Chelsea boots are nice. I got them in my true size, 7.5. Once again, you already know I'm always 7.5. No matter what, I don't care what people say. I am always 7.5. I just love the way that it's tight on my feet. It's definitely true size for these Chelsea boots. Once again, these are the ones from New Republic. Sonoma Suede Chelsea boots. What a name for some fantastically priced Chelsea boots. New Republic back at it again, killing the game. Let's talk about it. New Republic's back at it again, guys, and I know they should probably start sponsoring the channel, probably. Let's be honest here. Hey, New Republic, if you're hearing me, let's go. Let's make it happen. Just hit me up on my line. Hello, my name's Antonio. Welcome back to another video, guys. I have the New Republic Suede Sonoma Chelsea boots right here in this cream colorway. I love them, super nice. I've been looking for some nice Chelsea boots and these are definitely it. New Republic doing it again. The suede is so nice. These are so comfy. And I went back at it again with brand new Chelsea boots here from New Republic. How many times do I have to say, guys? These guys are killing it. Woo! Now these guys are on retail for $128 right now, but they go on sale all the time for $89.60. I gotta check my notes on that one. And an additional 10% off if you're a member with them. So take advantage of it. Look at this suede. This is 100% genuine suede on these boots. And I love it, guys. Oh my gosh. As you can tell, I've definitely been wearing them a lot. And they are so comfy. There's definitely a little bit break-in period. Like I said, I went true size 7.5. And they're tight. But I always go 7.5 because I know the suede is going to stretch. And it already has been. I've been wearing them for a week now. Like non-stop almost, and they feel so flipping good, guys. And I've gotten so many compliments already. I'm like, girls, chill, like shit. You know your boy's coming, yo. Let's go. Yo, that was supposed to be like on a bike or something. I don't know. The Sonoma Suede Chelsea boots are made out of 100% genuine suede on the upper, lined with 100% genuine split leather once again, with an also full leather natural carpe, which is super nice and super impactful because it makes the shoes super comfortable. Let's talk about comfort super quick. These things are so comfortable. They have a rubberized bottom, and I love that. I literally have owned Chelsea boots that have like the hard bottoms, like the wooden bottoms. I'm personally not a big fan of them. They might be a little bit more durable than these rubber bottoms, but from what I'm seeing, this is definitely super durable and super comfortable, most importantly. I love rubberized soles, and this is definitely it. They're super comfortable, like I mentioned. No issues whatsoever so far. In regards to durability, you can definitely tell I'm wearing them. They're comfortable and they're durable. They're not breaking down easy. The heel definitely will show some tear eventually, but right now, from what I'm seeing, it looks good. It's looking great, and I've worn them almost for a full week, like non-stop, because I got addicted. The suede is super soft to the touch, guys. I seriously, oh man, it is so soft. It feels so good, and it doesn't get dirty, as you can tell. Literally, look at that. They are not dirty whatsoever, and I have worn them all over, walking my dog, you know, going to the mall, going through a little bit of dirt, of course, obviously being careful, but you know, as you can tell, definitely don't go out in the rain and go crazy, because do not wear suede in the rain. Jesus, do not do it. For the love of God, don't do it. And yet again, another crazy unboxing experience. I mean, right off the bat, I was 100%. Whoever's in there, New Republic, boxing these bad boys up and thought about all the protection and just like the coverage, I love you. I love you. These come in a little bit of a baggie already, separated in the box, and then you get a string bag on top of that. And guys, they really take care of it. They make sure that these things are boxed up and are perfect when they get to you. They even come in with, like, you know, obviously the stuffing and then the protection film for the heel. So they just did a good job, guys. I know a lot of people ask about creasing. You can tell there's a little bit of creasing around that toe area, but nothing too crazy. It's definitely there. You can definitely tell on camera and in person. A little bit of creasing, but it's nothing crazy, which is good. They're holding their structure, and I'm not like putting any crazy things inside of them to keep the structure. I'm just taking them off, throwing them back on, taking them off. So I don't have any like toe things or anything like that. No like shoe horns or anything. I just, you know, throw them on, whatever, bro. I just wear them. I'm wearing my shoes. So you can tell that they're really holding up their shape, their overall fit, and everything. They did stretch out a little bit. No blister issues or anything, which is fantastic. I just love how they're staying the same color. Like, seriously, same exact color that they came in, and they're sticking to it, which is awesome, because I hate when they get dirty and then they get darker and darker. These are really like a nice sand colorway, and I love them. They look so clean, and they're going to be a major pickup in the summer and especially in the fall too. Like, these are fantastic, especially for the price. That's the thing, the price. Of course, there's other Chelsea boots and other shoes like the leather shoes I mentioned earlier, but you know, these for the price is just spot on, guys. Seriously, if you guys are looking for some Chelsea boots, make sure to cop these. I really don't have any negatives. Like, I'm telling you, as of the last week that I've worn them, I have ran into no issues. I love putting them on, and they feel super comfortable. And I'll let you guys definitely updated with everything and let you know if anything gets weird, but they feel fantastic on feet and in hand. Like, they just feel so good, guys. Make sure to let me know down below, are you guys going to be copping these or what? And if you guys have any additional questions, make sure to just throw it down below. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that sub, that like. You know what to do, guys. I appreciate you guys. New Republic's right here, going in with fire. Make sure to cop these right now. They are on sale, so do it. Just do it. And New Republic, hit your boy up for the sales, baby.